I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your photos on your iPhone and especially to crop and adjust the sizing of these photos.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So step one is to open up your Photos app and select a picture that you want to edit. Once you have your photo up, look at the very bottom next to the trash can item, and you're going to select those dials to get into the editor window. Then you're going to want to look at the bottom again on the far right and click the crop icon. Now with this, you can grab any of these sides here and pull the edges down or inward or even diagonally. Once you have your picture framed up how you want, you can also adjust the tilt by using this slider here on the side, and I'm going to adjust it to where it fits roughly correct. And then we're going to bring this down as well again, and then we're going to crop in a little bit more just so it perfectly fits in that little square. Once you're ready to be finished, you can select the done option on the top right, and now you have cropped and adjusted your photo.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.